Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. One that many of us have experienced at some point is forgetting iPad passcode. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your iPad and unable to access your device due to a forgotten passcode, you're in the right place. After following us, you will regain access to your locked iPad. Let's get started. The first tip is for users who remember the Apple ID password. Please check the requirements before showing the steps. First, your iPad is connected to a network. Next, your iPad is signed into an Apple ID. Find My is on. Finally, your iPad is running on iPadOS 15.2 and later. Then, on the lock screen, enter some wrong passcode, and you will see iPad unavailable screen, and forgot passcode option will appear at the bottom right. Please note, if your iPad is running on iPadOS 16 or 15, you need to wait for a longer time to see erase button. Tap on Forgot Passcode option and choose Start iPad Reset. Enter your correct Apple ID password. A dialog will pop up. Tap on Erase iPad to confirm. Your iPad will be reset automatically. After erased, set up your iPad and done. In our second method, we'll explore how to use Find My app to erase iPad. This tip requires you to have more than one Apple device. Secondly, your two devices are signed into the same Apple account. Find My is on and devices are connected to a network. Then, on your iPhone or another iPad, launch Find My app. Choose your locked iPad and scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Erase this device and continue the following steps. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm the erase. Finally, your iPad will be restored automatically. Wait for a while, you will reach Hello screen. Set up your iPad, and you will regain access to it. If you cannot remember anything, including screen passcode, Apple ID password, etc., in the last tip, we will recommend a professional tool AnyUnlock to you. Connect your iPad via a USB or USB-C cable to your computer. Click the link in the description to download and run AnyUnlock on your PC or Mac. Choose Unlock Screen Passcode feature. Next, click Start Now and follow the instructions to put your iPad into recovery mode. After doing that, click Download Firmware. The time depends on the size of firmware. Please connect to a stable network and wait patiently. After downloading, click Unlock Now. During this period, please don't unplug your device and exit AnyUnlock. When AnyUnlock shows screen passcode removed successfully, set up your iPad to regain access to it. That's all. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.